Hello, welcome. Today we will learn how to write a basic HTML page. This guide is for adult learners, for beginners. Don't worry if you've never done this before. We will go step by step together. Let's begin. Here is what we will cover today. First, what is HTML? Second, why should you learn HTML? Third, what tools do you need? Then we'll learn the basic HTML page structure. We'll save and view your page, and we'll add images, links, and lists. We'll also learn about comments, and finally we'll recap everything you learned. Let's get started. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Let's say it together. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is the standard markup language. It is used to create web pages. HTML describes the structure of a web page. It tells your browser how to display content. Think of it this way. HTML is like the skeleton of a website. Just like your bones give your body structure, HTML gives structure to websites. Every website you visit uses HTML. It's the foundation. Why should you learn HTML? There are 3 good reasons. First, you can build your own web pages. You can create websites for yourself, for your business, for your hobbies. Second, you will understand how websites work. When you know HTML, you understand what's happening behind the scenes. And third, it boosts your digital confidence. Learning HTML helps you learn other web skills too, like CSS and JSVAP. And HTML is a great place to start your web development journey. What tools do you need? Good news, you need only 2 things, and they are free. First, a text editor. You can use Notepad if you have Windows, or you can download VS Code. That's Visual Studio Code. It's free and very popular. Second, a web browser. Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge. Any browser works. And here's the important part. When you save your file, save it as .html. For example, mypage.html. That's it, just a text editor and a browser. Let's move on. Now let's look at the basic structure of an HTML page. Every HTML page has the same structure. Let me show you. Look at the code on your screen. At the top, you see less than symbol, exclamation mark, doc type HTML, greater than symbol. This tells the browser. This is an HTML5 document. Next, you have the HTML tag. Everything goes inside this tag. Then comes the head section. Inside the head, you have the title. This is what shows at the top of your browser tab. Finally, there's the body section. Everything inside the body is what people see on your page. In this example, we have an H1 tag. That's a heading. It says, "Hello world," and a P tag. That's a paragraph. It says, "This is my first HTML page." This structure is the foundation of every web page. Don't forget to subscribe to Learn with Leks for more helpful tips and updates.